If you want to add MMD models to Blender, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it. Whether you downloaded a PMX or PMD file, you can bring it into Blender in just a few steps and start working with your model right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Let's jump in. First, you need to download an MMD model file. These usually come in .pmx or .pmd format, and that's the type of file Blender will need once the add-on is installed. If your model is in a zip or RAR file, extract it first so you can easily find the actual model file. Next, open Blender and go to Edit, then Preferences, and then click Add-Ons. This is where Blender manages all of its extra tools and plugins. In the Add-Ons panel, you can search for MMD Tools. If you already see it, simply enable the checkbox and you're ready to go. If MMD Tools does not show up in the list, don't worry. Go to the Get Extensions tab and search for MMD Tools there. Install it first, then go back to the Add-Ons tab and enable it. This step is important because Blender needs the add-on active before it can import MMD models correctly. Once MMD Tools is installed and enabled, go to the top menu bar in Blender. Click File, then Import, and look for MikuMikuDance model, usually listed as .pmx or .pmd. This is the import option that lets Blender read MMD model files. Now select your model file from your computer and click Import Model. Blender will process the file, and after a moment, your MMD model should appear in the scene. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the model loaded into the viewport and ready to edit, pose, or animate. And that's it. You've successfully added an MMD model to Blender. From here, you can start adjusting materials, bones, lighting, or animations, depending on what you want to do next. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fast Blender how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.